Understanding crying in your beer, a dive into expressive English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're exploring an interesting and expressive phrase, crying in your beer. This phrase is a great example of how English speakers use colorful language to express emotions and situations. So, grab a seat, and let's dive into the meaning and usage of this unique expression. Crying in your beer is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is wallowing in self-pity or dwelling on their sorrows, often over something that cannot be changed. It paints a vivid picture of a person sitting alone, perhaps in a bar, lamenting their problems to themselves or anyone who will listen, metaphorically, into their beer. The phrase emphasizes the futility of such sadness or complaints, suggesting that it's an ineffective way to deal with problems. While the exact origins of crying in your beer are unclear, it's widely believed to have emerged from American culture, likely in the early to mid-20th century. The imagery of someone drinking alone in a bar, reflecting on their misfortunes, resonates with the post-war era's social and cultural contexts. This phrase encapsulates a specific moment of self-pity or regret, often with a touch of humor or irony. Using crying in your beer in conversation or writing adds a layer of emotional depth or humor, depending on the context. It's often used in a playful or teasing manner to lighten the mood when someone is overly focused on negative aspects of a situation. For example, "Stop crying in your beer and let's find a solution. He's just been crying in his beer since the team lost the championship." It's important to use the phrase with sensitivity, as it makes light of someone's distress, even if it's in a gentle or humorous way. There are several other idiomatic expressions in English that convey similar sentiments, such as wallowing in self-pity, sulking, or licking one's wounds. Each of these phrases has its unique connotation but serves to describe the act of being overly focused on one's misfortunes. And that's a wrap on crying in your beer. We hope you found this exploration into English idiomatic expressions enlightening and entertaining. Understanding these phrases can add richness to your conversations and help you express emotions in a nuanced way. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the colorful ways we convey our experiences and emotions. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more engaging content. Happy learning!